Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a video, obviously, with a very special guest.
Me! I'm called Anna, and I'm her daughter.
We are wearing our pajamas just because we wanted to. Yeah.
So we can relax.
And what are we doing today?
We are using my makeup kit that I got for my birthday on Halloween.
Ooh, spooky baby!
Yep.
Yes, so we're going to be using your makeup kit.
And I just turned 8. As you know, well, you don't really know. So,
And let me see what's inside it.
so it can... There. Also has a mirror. Hello. And then these sides can go down.
So we're going to be doing a full face using Anna's makeup kit.
Don't.
Okay, so what we have are these clips.
Yeah. That's good. There they are. Hearts.
I've just stuck one in.
I'm gonna stick one in.
Put on you.
It's so hard.
Sorry,
Oh,
put it
there.
on.
How do you put it in? I look so pretty.
You always look so pretty.
Yay!
Beautiful. Turn around. Yay. Oh, we get wee rings in them too.
They're bubbles.
Oh, I've got the rings. I'll put it on as a ring. Look.
Married.
Ooh. Mummy and daughter matching rings, which are actually baubles, but see, you only get 2 brushes in this.
Use your finger.
Yeah, I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna go into purple.
Right, I'm using my finger too.
Yeah, those brushes aren't the best. Did you get with it, are they?
These feel like these are lip glosses.
They're not. They're liquid eyeliner.
I'm not. Mini, mo. Catch stickers by the toe. If it's going to go. Mini, mo.
We'll be here all day.
That one.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go. Let's go. Keep using one word. I'm gonna do dark then light.
Have to blend it out.
Yes. Yos.
Her somewhere sticking into all this wet eyeshadow.
No, I said eyeliner. Eyeshadow. It's not what?
So, what did you do for your birthday?
Oh, as a few.
I know, but I'm saying tell the camera what you done.
So I went. Well, first I woke up, and then I went downstairs. I got my cereal. Then I opened my presents. Can I tell them what I got?
Yeah.
So I got a bath bomb maker. I got a lipstick maker. I got clothes. I got
Dolls.
pajamas. I also got dolls. What was my favorite thing? The top knee grabbed me. It was like green and with like scoobly blue things. And I was like,
Frills.
and then it exploded. I'm scared of eyelashes.
How can you be afraid of eyelashes? So, what did we do on your actual birthday? What did we do after you got up and got your presents?
And like, blah, 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 blah. We went in the car. No, we went in the car, drove the whole way down to my sister's house, and then we picked her up, and then we drove the way far to go. Drove the way far to go.
It's a long story, Anna.
I know.
Just get to the point. We went to We Are Vertigo. What did you do in We Are
We
Vertigo?
went to We Are Vertigo. We done this like course thing. Then we done this another course. Then I made it to the end. My sister cheated the whole thing. So there was this like thing, and she was on the first one. She could not make it. Apparently, Mummy told her to run around everything. Because I made it through everything. I made it. Had we edges, there was one like this size, and I literally was like, Mummy, I am gonna fall.
I'm gonna fall.
Yeah, I was literally staring at Callie. I was like, Callie, I'm gonna fall. I can't hold on. I'm gonna fall. But then I like moved like so slow, and then I made it, and I was like, I did it. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know what you're doing either.
I know. And then I went trick-or-treating, and then I got scared of the fireworks because I nearly got hit by a big one. I did. It was across the street.
So it was nowhere near.
It was.
It was not. That's very pink. This is very pink, isn't it?
Yes. I'm just doing this right now. With a lot of pink.
Yeah, and then we came home and we watched films, didn't we?
Yes, we watched Spooky Stories, and guess who?
Was in it.
Oh. Me! Kidding. Shrek.
Gonna try the little purple lipstick you get in. Nope. Nothing. And also Anna asked if I knew who her favourite princess was. And she said it starts with B.
And Mommy said Brenda. And I was like, she's not a princess.
Why, Big Brenda? Big Brenda's sitting over her. She is a princess. Everyone's a princess. Especially Big Brenda.
Wait, who's that?
Brenda the princess.
Wait. Alright, tell me who your favorite is.
Brenda.
Actually, tell me.
What about Big Sally?
That's gonna be you when you're a lady.
What?
I can't hear anything, Mom.
Think you're gay?
Yeah.
Yes, so there is no blusher. I have no blusher, so I'm gonna have to.
And there's no Brenda as a princess.
Stop judging Brenda, okay? Use a little colour to try and make a blusher.
The song. Stop.
What?
Alright, if there was a princess called Brenda, what color dress would you have? How about purple?
Purple, yeah.
Oh wait, no.
Why?
Hi,
Why?
Cause
If she wants to wear purple, she can wear purple.
oh my god!
I don't. Blusher. With lip gloss. Look, and look, it's because it's a lip gloss, it's just giving me instant highlight. Look at it. Beautiful.
I'm so weird.
You are so weird.
How dare you judge me? I can go later.
I can't. Your lipstick's a wee bit everywhere.
Smudged.
Smudged. Smudged.
Smooched.
I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty.
I'm not.
I'm so pretty, and I don't know the words. I always got some baby wipes.
Yeah. This is my magic trick.
8 hours later.
I'm not okay.
I can see your fingers.
Ah!
Do you want to see my magic trick?
Yeah. Blah.
Right? Look at my hands. Right?
Yeah. Wow, you just took it off.
I didn't?
This is what you done. So look at my finger.
Yeah. You can do it too!
Blah,
Blah.
blah, 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 blah.
Bye! Bye!
What's that? Run!
Dun, 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 dun,